Hello guys, it's me again, Paul, aka the Virgin Angel, and it's a Saturday. Gonna unveil my display cabinet over here. It's all done. I finished it yesterday, and just look at that. Yeah, really happy with the results here, and actually shocked I was able to fit all of my gunplas here. So let's just go over the sections. Okay, first section would be definitely, of course, got the Granddaddy Gundam over here and my SD kits. Second one would be you got the Astria, my CeraV, and over here is my Gundam, and at the far back is my red frame Astray. Now, the reason why I really was actually the reason why I was going for a display cabinet is basically since all of my kits are painted, it's best that it'll be in proper storage so that it don't accumulate that much dust. I've noticed, like with the paint I use, like for instance for my my CeraV, I mean, the more dust it accumulates, the more that the white becomes bit off. So yeah, that's why I needed this cabinet, and it took me 2 weeks to finish the cabinet, but I really love the color. I mean, this part over here had a very big chip. That's a very big chip. Managed to retouch that, and although it's not perfect, it still looks good. You would think that it's just an imperfection from the wood. Okay, going back to the levels. Alright, we got over here my Endless Waltz kits. They're not yet complete. They still need to get Nataku and Sandrock. But yeah, you guys know this dude very well. And let me just get off the flash here. And yeah, I have a death sight, all custom. I don't know if I'm gonna get the master grade, but I'm pretty happy with the way I painted mine. It's heavily damaged. And over here we got, okay, my Cherubim. We got Optimus Prime, also painted. Now you might be wondering why I included Optimus Prime here. It's basically, one, because he's painted. He is a big factor as to why all of these guys are in this cabinet. If I didn't had the guts to paint this dude, I wouldn't have the guts to do Gunpla and paint the rest of my kits. So he deserves to be there. That's why Optimus Prime is there. And of course, another one, it's the new Gundam. This I didn't paint. This is actually a kit I got from Jov or Vans, Now, I got this kit. I love how he did it. It's very clean. And he just stuck to the classic look of the new, which I like. And Vans also has a new kit. His is different. His is the Evolution version. And basically, we have, well, we call ourselves new brothers because we're both from GMAC, and we both have a new. Okay? So, at the very top, you'd see my first ever master grade. That's the Endless Waltz Wing Zero Custom. It's at the top for basically two reasons. One, it's since this display cabinet is my cabinet, it's the Virgin Angel cabinet, it should, well, it shows my wing kit at the top of the cabinet, sort of my logo. And two, the diorama I made for this dude a long time ago just can't fit on this cabinet. So it looks good as a well, it looks good at the very top, so I put it there. So okay, got one last trick I want to show you regarding this cabinet, but for that I need to turn off the lights. So I'm just gonna pause this for a while. Alright, with lights closed, this is how my Gunpla display cabinet looks like. And alright, the reason why it's shining like that, it's because of this. I cheated myself. I was a bit lazy. I was planning on actually carving some electrical holes so I can install like light bulbs at the top, but I was a bit lazy, and since the wood is very old, I was having hesitations with that. So I found this piece of equipment here. It's a display stand with LEDs, and yeah, it's battery operated. Wow. So I'm gonna be mounting this at the top. Still gonna be painting this flat black, but for now it really works. I really love it because, you know, if I'm in the mood to light up my Gunplas, that LED, it's very nice. It can actually reach till the very bottom level, so I like that. I'm still planning on getting one more, okay, for this one, just to give it more light. Okay, so there you go, guys. That's my Gunpla display cabinet, and I hope you like this video. It's pretty, the methods I use, it's pretty simple, and if ever you want to try restoring an old beaten up cabinet for your Gunplas, if I could do it, you can do it. So there you go. This is Paul, aka the Virgin Angel, signing out. More power, guys.